Welcome back. Now time for the business day. The Bank of Jamaica says it isn't certain of the impact of today's local government election on the economy, specifically inflation. BOJ Governor Richard Biles and Senior Deputy Governor Dr. Wayne Robinson commented on the issue recently.
Our level, we haven't seen it.
And I mean, it's early days, but what we have to pay close attention to is, well, what is the government's own expenditure profile looking like in this election cycle? And certainly if you go by what was tabled in Parliament and what is set out in the fiscal policy paper, the government is maintaining a very tight fiscal ship. So it's still early days yet. So at this point, we have to wait until the data comes in.
Now, about 1.7 billion Jamaican dollars was budgeted for the election. Major events like elections requiring large spending in the economy can have an impact on overall price movements for a specific period. To other news now, Paramount Trading Jamaica has secured a 700 million Jamaican dollar bond from NCB Capital Markets. Speaking at the recent signing of the agreement, Paramount CEO Hugh Graham said the funds will be used to execute strategic initiatives in the company's pipeline. Some of the funds will go to refinance some maturing debt and upgrading of the company's refinery operations, which serve the automotive lubricants section of the business. Paramount Trading Jamaica Limited is a local manufacturer and distributor of chemical raw materials and is listed on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. To the markets now, the JC Index gained 3,554 points today, while the Junior Market Index decreased by 6 points. Among the winners were Sterling Investments, US dollar shares, MPC, Caribbean Clean Energy, 138 Student Living, Jamaica Variable Preference Shares, T-Tech, and JMMB Group 7.15 Cumulative Redeemable Preference Shares. The decliners were led by Productive Business Solutions, 10.5% Cumulative Redeemable Jamaican Dollar Preference Shares, Cygnus Real Estate Finance US dollar shares, Proven Group, FESCO, and Trans Jamaican Highway. Trading resumes with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average of $157.02. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.60. The pound is going for $199.28, while the euro is selling for an average $172.24. And that's the business day. Stay tuned. Sports is next.